So this week we're back at Roma and Freddy's at the old French farmhouse. Last time you saw us here, we'd been doing the attic, and the attic is drying out really nicely now, so it's onto the stairwell. And this week, we've got on really well actually. Yeah, we're doing quite well, which I'll show you in a minute. But first of all, I just wanted to address some of their comments. Now, as a lot of you know, that as part of our 5-year renovation anniversary, instead of doing a full quick time of the 5 years, where you don't really actually get to see very much, I thought I'd do a podcast and go back to some of the original vlogs, take them down, revamp them a bit, because as you know, the quality in the beginning was really poor. We had no microphones. We were filming most of the time on our phones, and we were very new to this. The quality was really poor because we had no lighting in the chateau. So we thought we'd go back, take them down, revamp them as much as we possibly can, take out a lot of the waffling, which is what I'm doing now, and put them into a podcast. Now, a lot of you didn't seem to understand them. We had a lot of comments as to why are we seeing old vlogs. That is why you're seeing old vlogs, because I'm not able to edit them in the YouTube studio. I have to take them down, edit them, and upload them as if it's a new vlog. There's no other way of doing it, I'm afraid. So that's why you're seeing them as new vlogs every day. Now, it does seem to have had a bit of a negative impact on the Air channel, because we've gone down 100 subscribers in the last 2 weeks, and we're supposed to be going up, not down. So the first thing is, please check that you are subscribed still to the channel and you haven't been taken off. I may rethink the podcast, whether we upload it every day or whether I just take them down and revamp them and then upload them all in one go is another thought. So next week might change. I'm going to have a think over the weekend. But every Friday, obviously, you will still get a new vlog, which has been happening. So those of you that have been seeing the old vlogs come back online and think we're not still working, we are. There are still new vlogs every Friday. So please watch out for them and go back if you've missed some of them. But thank you all for your support anyway. It's been absolutely wonderful. We are, a little update for you, we are still trying to sell the chateau. We have some interested parties, but they have to sell their house before they can buy the chateau. And we're still doing viewings. We did a couple of viewings yesterday, so it's still ongoing, and we are still searching for our next future project. Yeah, so if you want to see that, the viewings, quite a few of you have asked, why don't we show us doing the viewings on our channel? It's illegal for us to put it on a public forum. So we can't do that, I'm afraid. We can only do it on a private forum, which is part of our Patreon forum. So if you do want to see that, you will have to go over to the Patreon page and have a look and see the viewings there, I'm afraid. Sorry. But obviously you will be the first to know once things do move forward. Anyway, on to this week at Roma and Freddy's. So we're onto the stairwell, and this is what happened.
get all the muck up here first, and then put this in place. Come on your feet. Right, so this is a little platform so we can get over the stairs and into the stairwell. So I've put that in there so hopefully a ladder can go in there. I'll probably screw it into there so it don't move. But the idea is that the ladder goes on top of here. If you can take my weight. So you're over there at the stairs and you can do that. You could probably put a hop up over this just to do that bit. Obviously this is all easy enough, but once you start getting this way, then it becomes a bit of a problem. So the platform needs to be able to move down the steps. So at the moment that's fine. It probably, as I say, need a little bit cut off because of the steps, and the steps end up going like this. So the left leg, as I look at it this way, comes off the edge of the steps. So we'll probably have to adjust that some way. You know, I don't have the wherewithal to make it adjustable, but that should work for this upper region first of all, and then we'll have to, as I say, adjust as we go down. And then down the bottom, because obviously that's a long way down there. See, just to where we are is 3 meters to there, and then obviously we've got about 1.5 meters to go up this way. Yeah, 420 that is from the second from bottom step. Yeah, 420. So we'll have to cross that bridge when we come to it. It's always a dilemma, isn't it? Always a dilemma. But it's progress. Let's put it that way.
Who'd buy an old house in France, eh?
I'll tell you what, those block rendered single story in La Souterraine are becoming more and more appealing.
It's good learning though for the future, isn't it?
What future is that?
Well, you know, if you think to what we possibly might be doing in the future, like you just said, render the walls before we build the staircase.
Yeah. But yeah, do that section there as far as you can get, because I guess you can, once you can get off the ladder, that's probably easier, and you can get to the front of this edge.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm hoping another week we should be finished here and job done. Then it's back to the laundry room back at the chateau. Better get cracking. So, pretty good week. We've got down as far as here. So I've done quite well, really. It's this really tall piece here that we still have the problem with. However, thanks to one of our comments from last week, I think we've come up with a solution as what we're going to be able to do. So that'll be next week anyway, and hopefully next week this entire section will all be finished, and Roma and Freddy hopefully will be very, very happy. It will just be then clearing up because yeah, the stairs are in a bit of a mess. So I think Ted's going to bring his renovator around and give a bit of a spruce job on the stairs. But anyway, don't forget, like, subscribe, thumbs up, all of that business, and your comments on what you think about the podcast and what I should do would be very helpful. Yeah, do you like them? Do you think we should just stop them and upload them all in one go? Let us know what you think anyway. We'll see you all next week. The reason why Ted's not here is he's had to go off to his other job today, which we'll probably give you an update, the Chateau property that he's working on. So we'll probably give you an update on that very soon as well. But anyway, take care everyone. See you all soon. Love to you all.